Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play. And this type of thing when them do to this lady, them sending a message. And we know say the Labour right them always across Jamaica Gleaner, especially Everall Warmington and others. We all know that, so this is no secret, say the Jamaica Labour Party have issues with Jamaica Gleaner, saying, and this type of thing will happen to this lady, you know. It is dangerous, and Jamaica is in a bad place right now. Because me get to understand, say, you know, the Labour right them, for them stylists from Siaga time come down till now, them like for detach head from the body. Because them like make a statement. Because Mr. Darrell Vaz with it with a style of thing, you know. I'm showing you the style I'm talking about, Mr. Darrell Vaz. I'm going to hear something about Mr. Darrell Vaz with the said style. The said style. Mr. Darrell Vaz with the said type of cutting off head style. See there? So I don't know if these are the Labour right doings for you take out the life of this veteran journalist. Because this journalist could have worked on a story for politician. She dig too deep. So then have to take her out. Because who knows say the Labour right them have problem with them. And this is no joke, and I like when I make up something, then come out and burn fire upon them. We can find back a lot of video with the Labour at a burn fire upon the Gleaner. So them bias and them are PNP. So with this lady now dead, we not have to look no far away. Or the honor life of this lady, we not have to look no far. It have to be the work of a Labour right. Because in Labour right alone have problem with the Gleaner.
So we have
only Labour right alone have problem with the Gleaner. And
hope that states
Dwayne Vaz, it tell we say there's a bunch of people there in Jamaica, them will stop at nothing to get it for them way. It's for evil for commit murder. And from here Dwayne Vaz said that always make it riveting on my head. So I know, say watch this. Even this channel where I do, will become a target. Who God bless no man curse. This area is a raffle politician feather. Same like how them could have sent a hit off of the Integrity Commission, man. This is no different. So them take with the lady vehicle and some other things, make it look like a robbery. We're not stupid. This is stage. This is a hit. But them stage it make it look like a robbery. A long time I watch Lifetime movie, you know. He said the detective Lifetime movie, I watch it so till me's a detective in a real life. And we know one time things look like it's staged. Based on what we're here, it look like it's staged. So this lady did a sniff in a politician business. This is our meeting. And them send police, them hitman police go do this type of job. Because these police look like them, they have some police look like them take cocaine in a real life, you know. Now for these police, the way them operating on the street, it look like them take cocaine. But me I go play something, some little things what the labor right them did say. Saying, me I start off with the Virginia, because daddy tell me say that youth here, Desmond, he was a bad boy. And them get him expunged and squeeze him in a politics. So me I go play something when did say. Saying, listen this.
Made this comment.
All the people who are colluding, sharing information, and secretly trying to undermine this young man. And some of them should be ashamed of themselves. Because I bet you, if you had another name, and him had family background, nobody wouldn't touch him. But because him come from a humble place.
And so Mr. Mackenzie vowed to defend the integrity of the Prime Minister.
We are not, as a party, going to allow the PNP and its leadership to construct and to deliver anything that is going to destroy the image of Dr. Andrew Holness, Prime Minister.
So, Desmond Mackenzie, you guys don't care about the right thing to do. You guys all care about an image you don't have. You all care about something you don't have. So, if you save Andrew Holness' image, you prefer aid and betting in corruption to protect a man's image. A massacre you turn out Desmond image. You turn massacre upon way. You are worried about a man's image. So the corruption we can put it on the carpet so long as we protect the Prime Minister image. We have to listen to these people, you know. Hey, these people gonna stop at nothing. Because them don't want to lose power. Because them worry about them image. We have to remember that, you know. These people will do anything to protect them image. Alright, Mastika, I'm going to hear some more what I say.
Leader of the Jamaica Labour Party. And Labour rights are saying this tonight.
Stargirl, monsieur.
If it means that Labour rights must take to the streets of this country in defense of Andrew Holness, then we are prepared to go out there.
Them say war, them a look, tell them that's not clever. If a war, we war them forever. Desmond Mackenzie prepare for war, to protect Andrew Holness' image. So, on a plan for go any limit to protect the image. So, since as we don't got any limit to protect the image, could this lady, Barbara Gale, did a sniff around to spoil up somebody's image so them have to take her out? Could that be the case? Could it be this lady here did a sniff around somebody? Corruption, we can destroy them image, so she have to get silent. Me just ask, because image is the order of the day for Uno. Image, alright, Massacre.
Defend!
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ.
Black Beauty, monsieur, them are worried about them image. So it look like Barbara Gale did dig too deep in the corruption. Because she a court journalist, court reporter. Yeah. So She just sniffing at things, man. And them not want to become public knowledge. So them things if them take her out, that I got bury. But we in at the time of revelation, you know. Nothing can hide. No care what do it can't hide. Because the time we in we not understand the time, you know. This is not brute force and the power we have when I use the things and we have to work with the time. All of these Freemason, all of these evil people in the world, they work off a time. Them know the time. Them knows a certain time. Them can't do nothing. Them go fail. So see like how we in at the time of revelation and everything I forgot reveal, there's nothing can hide my son. So I'm going to play something else because the PNP don't have nothing to lose. Because they're on the opposition side. And when you hear a little young man like this, if you don't know which young man I'm going to play, the one where did keep the bull in a pen party on a Clarendon and the man have to evict him out and play shorter than Nicki Minaj. You remember the bridging there? The bridging keep on empty dance the other day in a Clarendon. You know who me attack? The bridging where did do the misinformation work. And Jones have to fire him and put Dana and then carry Dana go turn Minister Education. You remember the bridging there? You remember when they say? And this what the bridging I'm going to hear what the bridging I say. This don't go for the PNP because the PNP don't have no corruption to hide. The PNP have nothing to lose because they're on the opposition side. So when I hear this virgin come out and talk like this, my grandmother tell me, say, God bless her soul, say if you use sleep and mark dead. Wanna listen this? And use sleep and mark dead. Come down. The virgin I put on impy skimpy jeans and spike heel in a Clarendon house party. Come down.
The PNP will do absolutely anything to win the next election. And when I say anything, I am excluding nothing. When I look at what they did in my constituency for the local election.
Why, alright, these people mad. These people, that is why Andrew Holness is fire him. Because him never good at his job. So Andrew Holness have to move him. Put him on the back bench for a while. And just use him to see if him can score a cheap political points off him. Because Andrew Holness not really need him, you know. Because if this virgin can come out and talk about the PNP, will do anything to win this general election. You're mad. And who have corruption for hide? And who have corruption for hide? And who have fight the Integrity Commission? And who have thief money and buy Benz? And who have build up $800 million apartment? And who take over the trucking company in Jamaica? And who hide the oil where them find and them go down mine it by now? And who have things to hide? Remember oil find and them shut it down the oil vast. It would be the first one to bring the news. So who have more for lose, my friend? So when you come out and talk these things, it's only to look stupid labor right there I talk to. Because no sensible people, nobody who have sense, now listen, now believe this way I say so.
Even co-opting.
Sounds complicated.
It's not too bad. Usually it's innocent until proven guilty, right? Well, with illicit enrichment, it's flipped. The prosecution just has to show that you have more money than you should based on your income. Then it's your job to prove you got it legally.
So it's like, okay, you've got a yacht, but you make minimum wage. Explain that.
Exactly. And in this case, the Integrity Commission thinks Mr. Holness hasn't adequately explained his wealth, so they think the FID needs to investigate.
This is serious stuff. So what does this all mean for Mr. Holness? What are the potential consequences?
We could be talking criminal charges, big fines, even jail time.
Jail time? The Prime Minister?
It's possible, especially if those tax fraud allegations are true.
Wow. And even if he doesn't go to jail, this is a disaster for his reputation.
Absolutely. It raises serious questions about his judgment and his commitment to ethical conduct.
It's a good reminder that no one, not even a Prime Minister, is above the law. This whole situation reminds me of that other scandal with...
You know what? You're right. It does seem to fit a pattern.
Exactly. But we'll say that for another deep dive. Speaking of murky dealings, let's talk about that $50 million loan from Burita Investments Limited. That's where things get really interesting. So Burita Investments Limited, they're the ones who gave Imperium that massive loan, right? $50 million.
That's the one. And the report makes it seem like Burita may have bent the rules a little to make it happen.
Okay, give me the details. What did Burita do that has the Integrity Commission's attention?
Well, for one, they accepted a mortgage document for a property that, according to official records, isn't even owned by Imperium.
That's a pretty big oversight. What else?
It gets better. Apparently, they also approved the loan based on a verbal agreement with Mr. Holness. No paper trail, no formal documentation.
Now, I'm all for a good handshake deal, but not when you're talking about a $50 million loan to a company owned by the Prime Minister.
Exactly. And the Integrity Commission agrees. They're recommending that the Financial Services Commission, they regulate financial institutions in Jamaica, give Burita a thorough audit. They want to know if any laws were broken when they gave out that loan.
So now Burita might be in trouble too.
It's possible, and it just goes to show you this isn't just about one man's finances. This is a whole web of connections, powerful people, companies, even government agencies. Makes you wonder what else is out there.
It really highlights how important transparency and accountability are.
100%.
Yeah.
The Integrity Commission needs the power to investigate these things, to follow the money and hold people accountable.
Because if not, it's like anything goes.
Exactly. And people lose trust in the whole system.
It's a reminder that no one's above the law, right?
Absolutely not.
Expert speaker, this has been fascinating. Thank you for breaking it all down for us.
Anytime.
And deep divers, we hope this has inspired you to keep asking tough questions, demand transparency, and hold those in power accountable. Until next time, keep diving deep.